Unboxing and installation of LED headlight bulbs in Honda CRV 2018. Step 1. Unboxing. I just received these awesome LED bulb replacement from Forerunner LED light for Honda CRV 2018 Low Beam H11. I will unbox and provide step-by-step guide to install these in your car easily. These LED bulbs are very bright and will be a really good upgrade. Let's unbox by removing the plastic cover and see what's inside. It has the gloves, nice. User manual. And the bulbs. These LED bulbs comes with a cooling fan built in. Step 2. Installation in the car. Open the front bonnet by pulling the lever. It is present in the driver's side under the fuel tank lever. Low beam bulb is present at the outer side of the headlight. High beam bulb is in the inner side of the headlight. Low beam light, high beam light. We will twist the low beam light and take it out. Please see the video. We will take the new LED bulb, attach it with the wire harness and install it back by twisting it clockwise. Make sure you align the grooves of the bulb properly and just push and twist. We will do the same process on left side bulb. Align the grooves, push it in and twist clockwise, and you are done. Step 3. Testing. Looks perfect. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get alerts for more related videos.